Here it is. This is the front of it, I guess, where the sun will go in through the window here. It's all going to be painted barbecue black and to absorb the heat, and maybe later I'll insulate some of it, but I'll see how much of an area I need to absorb the heat. All this will be insulated with bats, bottom, sides, top. This is the door, and there's a little ridge here that it sits on, and it will be insulated too, and I'm probably going to slide it off, but I'm not sure yet, because I might make holes in it for because the first job it has to do is dehydration, so it needs quite a bit of airflow, and I might have a pipe going in and a pipe coming out through that pipe to get the hot moist air out and warm up the cool air as it goes in. So I'm guessing probably next week I'm getting the shelving for it, but I'm going to start dehydrating stuff as soon as possible with various cook stuff that I already have here. Anyway, that's it for the moment. Thank you.